Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add row level formula here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now in Salesforce, a row-level formula is a way to create custom calculations on individual records directly within a report. It allows you to add a formula column that performs calculations on each row of data in your report. Now for you to be able to do that, I want you to navigate to the app launcher, and from here, click on Reports. If you haven't already, you might want to start your new report so we can add a row level formula. Now, of course, you can select the report type. For example, is it going to be leads, opportunities, accounts and contacts, customer support reports, contracts and orders, price books, products and assets. So I'll leave that to you. But for now, maybe I'm going to use the customer support reports. In this case, we're going to maybe use the solutions. And you see this button right here, all I have to do is click on Start Report. Now after doing that, all you have to do, there should be an option on the drop-down menu on the left side panel of your dashboards on the column and add a row level formula. Okay, so doing so would be the best option in creating calculations within reports without the need to create custom fields and objects, saving admin time and keeping your object cleaner. On column name, I'm going to put in maybe a GPLAPS. Description. And of course, you can put in your formula here. All right, you can click on Validate, click on Apply. All right. I'm going to delete this for now. Okay, click on Apply. Once you've done that, you can quickly calculate metrics like profit margins, conversion rates, or days between dates directly in reports, allowing you for immediate and real-time insights. Now, the idea is it will provide you a powerful way to analyze, calculate, and display custom data points directly within reports, making them a tool for improving decision-making and data management. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.